What's up everybody, my name is Ryan. Welcome to the first episode in my new series, Quick Twitch Tips. I'll be giving out different tips for different aspects of your Twitch stream in little 60-second chunks. Today we're talking about panels. Your panels are important because they give your audience a quick view of who you are and what you do. They're also oftentimes a missed opportunity to tell the story about you as a content creator. So if you're not sure what panels are, click the About section on your Twitch profile. You'll see them down here. So most of the time if you do a quick search for Twitch panels, you'll see things like this. Although they're not bad and they can be interesting, there's nothing really unique or custom about them. You should be using every pixel inside of your Twitch bio to tell people who you are and why they should watch it. Now, I'm not an expert by any means, but my panels here are very personal. They show off my personality. They give an insight to what an audience member could expect watching my stream. They also give a lot of things that my audience could ask about. Everybody loves cats. If you are going to make custom panels for your site, which I do highly recommend, make sure that you use an image size guide like this one. I'll link it in the description below. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions about this or any other content on my channel, feel free to drop it in my Twitch chat. I'm live every Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday. Till then, remember, nothing matters until you make it matter. So go make it matter.